Happy Easter, God's beloved humanity. I'm here with a friend who had too much fun and he's sleeping. I cannot take a video of him because he will be embarrassed. Anyway, I'm here and I'll just wait for him to wake up so we can either eat or take a bus somewhere. Hopefully in 45 minutes he'll feel better. Jesus is risen. Jesus is alive forevermore. There is hope for me. There is hope for you. There is hope for my friend here. And let's hold on to the hope of resurrection and renewal. Blessings. I love you all. Bye.